guys, today we are going to show the demonstration of Hisense washing machine. Inverter motor, 10 kilogram, 1400 RPM. So this is very good. Let me see. This is pretty dirty, need to be drawn clean. Here's the door. They tinted the black on there. That is looks like a washer, but that's actually a washer. This is a drum that is 10 kilogram. Look. Yeah, it actually sends out spin brake. They did not need to be triggered. Now let's show the program this machine is. This one is cotton. Cotton cycle actually is for washing towels. You can see here's the temp. 40, 60, 95. Yeah, that's it. Now let's see the spin speed. 400 RPM, no spin. 400, 600, 800, 1000 RPM, 200 RPM, and 1400 RPM. Alright. Here's the favorite. That's a very good one. Yeah, really good. Options, pre-wash, extra rinse, and intensive. Pretty good. The delay end. Here's the delay end. And here's the start button. You can start it, but I don't press because it's all open. Cotton color red cycle. That is, you can able to change up to 60 degrees only. Yep. It has 2 hours and 50 minutes. 50 minutes, yep. Spin speed. They can actually allow high spin. Pretty good, yeah. Favorite. Pretty good, yeah. Options. They can only do pre-wash and extra rinse only. Yep. Cotton nickel. They can actually, no, it doesn't allow temperatures because it can run the temperature like 40 or 60. They can allow spin speed to 1400 RPM. Yeah, pretty cool. Favorite? Yep. Options? Doesn't need options. Pretty good. Cycle. Let's move to the next. Mix cycle that mix the clothes that you can wash it. So you can able to select temperature at 40, only at 40 degrees. You can select up to high speed, 1400 RPM. Pretty good, huh? Favorite? Yeah, I increased the hours in. Yeah. Options? Pre-wash, extra rinse, intensive, and that's it. Pretty good. Super quick. No, I mean wall that it allow up to 40. Spin only allows 600 RPM, but mine on my Beko only allows up to 800 RPM. Alright. Favorite? Yes, you can allow. Options? Only extra rinse is allowed. Quick cycle, 15 minutes. Temperature is only up to 40 degrees. Pretty awesome. That increases up to 30 minutes. Spin speed, you can allow up to 100 RPM only because it doesn't allow high spin speed. Favorite, you can add it. Options, only allows extra rinse only, so yeah. Alright. Rinse and spin, that you rinse the clothes to remove the detergent. You can also add extra rings if you want. You cannot select temperature because set a code. You can put spin speed up to 1400 RPM. You can put favorites if you like to do. You can, yeah, it can allow extra rings. Spin cycle, that is 10 minutes. Similar, yeah? You can also select temperature. You can select up to high speed spin. Favorite, pretty cool. You can select a favorite, but it takes more hours. You cannot do options because it doesn't have available that cycle. You can do delay end. Pretty awesome. Drum clean, that you clean the inside of a drum. That cleans the seal, the drum inside, and the glass. Temperature is only up to 95. This one is only set up to 800 RPM because low spin speed, but mine 600 RPM. Favorite? Yeah, you can allow favorite. You cannot do options, so yeah. 20 degrees? That it looks like the same, yeah. Temperature is only allowed up to 20 degrees. You can allow 400 RPM spin for that. Favorite? Yes, you can allow. You can have options. Yeah, pretty good for 20 degrees wash, yeah. Let me think. Hygiene. Hygiene is for like that. You can allow up to 40 degrees. The only gentle spin is like 600 RPM. You can do favorite. You can do extra rings. So yeah, let's go to the next cycle. Sportswear cycle, that it can spin wash your clothes very faster. You can set up to 40 degrees. The absolute spin speed is only up to 1000 RPM. Yep. Favorite? Yes, you can. So this one is options. You can allow all. Pretty good. Darker clothes. You can set up to 40 degrees. But 60 is too hot for darks. You can put up to 1000 RPM spin. Pretty cool, yeah? Yeah, it's pretty dirty. You can put favorites. Pretty awesome, yeah. Options, pre-wash, extra rinse, and stay. You can do it. This is pretty good. Now, baby care cycle, that is for washing baby garments. You can set up to 95, 400 RPM. Pretty awesome. Let me see the timer. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Pretty normal, yeah? You can set to favorite. You can select options like pre-wash, extra rinse, and stain removal. I mean intensive. Yep. The steam, that you can allow like allergy care. You can set up to 40 or 60. Spin speed, you can allow it's 400 RPM. Favorite? Yeah, 3 hours and 29 minutes. Pretty long, yeah. Pre-wash, you can allow it. You can have extra rinse. You can have intensive. Alright, so we need two parts. This is the child lock. You can press and hold. Temperature, spin speed, like this. Nah, child lock doesn't work anymore. Alright. Alright. For no sound like this, look. For disable the sound, you can see no sound. To enable, you can press the spin speed button and favorite button. And that's how to deactivate the sound and activate the sound. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends. Bye bye guys, and see you for another day to wash day on this Hisense washing machine. And another day I will do a drum clean on this machine. It's pretty dirty. It's pretty dirty, yeah? So yeah, goodbye.